On Friday, the Supreme Court granted a complete stay in a case involving the approval and accessibility of mifepristone, a frequently used abortion pill, by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. The decision was made through a 7-2 vote, with Justices Samuel Alito and Clarence Thomas in dissent. The verdict upholds the availability of mifepristone while the Biden administration and the pill's producer appeal a prior court ruling that would impose limits on the medication. Justice Alito's disagreement argued that the administration and manufacturer did not warrant a stay since they had failed to demonstrate that they would suffer irreparable harm in the meantime. The decision by the Supreme Court to grant a full stay in the case concerning the FDA's approval of mifepristone is just the latest development in a long-standing legal battle over the medication's access and use in medication abortion. The medication has been widely used in the United States for over 2 decades as a safe and effective method of ending early pregnancies. However, anti-abortion activists and lawmakers have sought to restrict its use, claiming that it poses a risk to women's health. The lower court ruling in Texas, which suspended the FDA's approval of mifepristone, was met with outrage and concern from reproductive healthcare advocates and medical professionals who argue that the medication is a safe and effective way to end early pregnancies. The restrictions imposed by the ruling have made it more difficult for individuals to access medication abortion, particularly those living in rural or remote areas with limited access to healthcare facilities. The Supreme Court's decision to grant a full stay in the case is a temporary victory for those seeking to maintain access to medication abortion, but the broader legal fight over reproductive health care in the United States is far from over. The politicization of reproductive health care has made it increasingly difficult for individuals to access safe and effective abortion care, particularly in states with restrictive abortion laws. Reproductive rights and healthcare advocates continue to fight for access to safe and affordable reproductive health care, including medication abortion. The legal battle over mifepristone's FDA approval and access is just one part of a larger fight for reproductive rights and healthcare in the United States. The outcome of this case will have significant implications for the future of reproductive healthcare in the United States and will continue to be closely watched by advocates and opponents alike.